Hey everybody, this is mostly for family who are curious and ask me lots of questions, but I thought I'd do a little showcase of each chicken. This one, her name is Penelope. She is a speckled Sussex chicken. That's her breed. She is the oh, no. Gosh. Hey, babe. I was going to say Penelope is the introverted one of the family. She has always been that way since she was a little chick. Would you like to be showcased now?